Before we dive into the possibilities of alien life in artificial space habitats, let's address the elephant in the room, the immense challenges we face in our search for extraterrestrial neighbors. The first hurdle is the vast distances involved. Space is unimaginably large, with even the closest star systems being light-years away from us. This means that any signal or spacecraft we send could take years, decades, or even centuries to reach its destination. Our current technology also poses significant limitations. Despite advances in telescopes and space probes, we are still only scratching the surface of what is out there. Our instruments can only detect a fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum, and many potential signs of life may be beyond our current detection capabilities. Moreover, the harsh environment of space presents its own set of challenges. Cosmic radiation, extreme temperatures, and the vacuum of space can all interfere with our equipment and make long-term missions incredibly difficult. Lastly, there's the issue of interpreting the data we do receive. Even if we detect something unusual, distinguishing between natural phenomena and potential signs of intelligent life is a complex and often ambiguous task. Despite these challenges, the quest to find alien life continues to drive scientists and explorers alike. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? Now let's explore the tantalizing possibilities that lie within our cosmic neighborhood. As we ponder the vastness of the universe and the potential for alien life, it's essential to consider the innovative strides humanity is making in creating artificial space habitats. These man-made structures could very well be the blueprint for how intelligent civilizations sustain themselves in the harsh environment of space. Let's start with space stations. The International Space Station, ISS, is a prime example. Orbiting Earth, the ISS serves not only as a research laboratory but also as a test bed for living in space. Astronauts aboard the ISS conduct experiments that help us understand how to grow food, recycle water, and generate oxygen, all critical elements for sustaining life far from our home planet. But the ISS is just the beginning. Future plans include even more ambitious projects like the Lunar Gateway. This space station, set to orbit the Moon, will act as a hub for lunar exploration and potentially as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. Then there are the concepts for space colonies. Imagine massive rotating habitats known as O'Neill cylinders or Stanford Torrey, where centrifugal force creates artificial gravity. These colossal structures could house thousands, providing not just the necessities for survival but also amenities like parks, schools, and even entertainment venues. Furthermore, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are exploring the potential of colonizing Mars. These plans involve creating self-sustaining habitats on the Martian surface, complete with domes that can shield inhabitants from cosmic radiation and extreme temperatures. These colonies could serve as the first stepping stones for humanity's expansion into the solar system. By studying and developing these artificial habitats, we not only prepare for our own future in space, but also open the door to understanding how other civilizations might thrive. If we can build and sustain life in the void, why couldn't they? These habitats might be the very places where we find our alien neighbors, living and thriving in ways we are just beginning to imagine. Now, with a clearer picture of how we might sustain life in space, let's return to the broader cosmos and explore the endless possibilities that await us. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial space habitats, recent theories and research have brought forth some astonishing revelations. Scientists have posited that not only could these habitats be viable for sustaining life, but they might already be in use by advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. One key insight comes from the study of Dyson spheres, hypothetical megastructures that could encompass a star, capturing its energy to fuel a civilization. While no definitive evidence of such structures has been found, the concept has sparked new ways of thinking about how and where life could exist. Furthermore, recent research has revealed that certain exoplanets, previously thought to be uninhabitable, might support life if they have artificial habitats. These findings are based on advanced computer models that simulate how these structures could maintain stable environments, even in extreme conditions. Surprisingly, some scientists believe that the mysterious fast radio bursts, FRBs, detected from distant galaxies could be signals from these advanced civilizations using powerful energy sources to propel their space habitats. While this theory is still under investigation, it opens up exciting possibilities for how we might detect alien life. Another intriguing discovery comes from the study of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in Earth's most extreme environments. These resilient life forms provide a blueprint for how life could adapt to artificial habitats in space. If life can survive in the depths of our oceans or the scorching heat of volcanic vents, it could certainly adapt to the controlled environments of space habitats. These revelations not only expand our understanding of where alien life might exist, but also inspire us to continue exploring the cosmos with an open mind. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. With each new discovery, we inch closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone? Now, with these exciting theories and findings in mind, let's explore the broader cosmos and the endless possibilities that await us. Space enthusiasts, listen up! Our universe is vast, with more stars than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. This cosmic ocean is teeming with possibilities, and I'm diving deep into the mystery of alien life in artificial space habitats. With countless stars, each potentially hosting its own planetary system, the chances of finding life are immense. Imagine planets like our own, possibly home to unknown life forms. It's a number so vast it's almost beyond comprehension. A cosmic ocean filled with endless possibilities. Among these stars, there must be planets that could harbor life. Life that might be very different from ours, or surprisingly similar. Some of these planets could indeed support life. But where would we find these alien neighbors? The answer might surprise you. They might not be on planets at all. They could be living in artificial space habitats, ingenious structures designed to support life in the void of space. These habitats, built by intelligent beings, could provide everything needed for life: air, water, food, and shelter. Imagine massive structures orbiting distant stars teeming with creatures we can only dream of. Entire civilizations thriving in space. These space habitats could be the key to finding alien life. They represent a new frontier in our quest to understand the universe. The potential for alien life in artificial habitats is immense. Continued exploration is crucial in our journey to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. What do you think about the possibility of alien life in artificial habitats? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on space exploration. Imagine a giant wheel spinning in space, a colossal structure floating silently in the cosmic void. This isn't science fiction, it's the concept of an O'Neill cylinder, a visionary idea that could redefine human civilization. This type of space habitat, proposed by physicist Gerard K. O'Neill, could house millions of people, creating self-sustaining communities in space. Inside, you'd find artificial gravity, created by the spinning motion, allowing people to live and work as they would on Earth. Sunlight would be reflected inside, providing light and warmth for crops to grow, ensuring a steady food supply. These habitats could be built around stars, using their immense energy to power their ecosystems and sustain life. They could even be mobile, traveling between star systems, exploring new frontiers and expanding human presence in the galaxy. Space habitats offer a tantalizing glimpse into the future of life in space, both for us and for potential alien civilizations, opening up endless possibilities. Finding these habitats won't be easy. The universe is incredibly vast. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take years to reach our closest neighboring star system. Our current technology limits our ability to search for these structures. We're like sailors looking for a single buoy in the middle of the ocean. But we are developing new technologies. More powerful telescopes and advanced space probes might one day be able to detect the signs of these massive structures. We might find evidence of their unique energy signatures or the chemical traces of their atmospheres. Our own ventures into space, like the International Space Station, are teaching us how to live and work in this challenging environment. The ISS serves as a unique laboratory where we can experiment with new technologies and understand the effects of long-term space travel on the human body. We are learning to grow food, recycle resources, and create closed-loop ecosystems. These systems are crucial for sustaining life on long-duration missions, where resupply from Earth is not an option. These advancements are not only essential for our future in space, but they also have the potential to revolutionize how we live on Earth. Imagine cities with self-sustaining ecosystems, reducing our dependence on external resources. They also provide clues about how alien civilizations might sustain themselves. If we can create sustainable habitats in space, it stands to reason that other intelligent beings might have done the same. Perhaps one day we will build our own massive space habitats, These could serve as stepping stones for deeper space exploration, allowing humanity to venture further than ever before. We might even find that we are not alone in our pursuit of life among the stars. Advanced telescopes and space observatories are constantly scanning the cosmos for signs of extraterrestrial life. The search for alien life is a search for ourselves. It challenges us to think about our place in the universe and what it means to be human. It's a journey of discovery that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and challenges us to imagine the impossible. Every mission, every experiment brings us one step closer to understanding the cosmos. So keep looking up at the stars and never stop asking the big questions. The answers we seek are out there, waiting to be discovered. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Each new discovery opens up a world of possibilities and fuels our imagination for what lies beyond.